Good morning, you guys. It is so bright out and I'm so tired, but let's drive to work. We had my son's 3rd birthday party over the weekend and it was so much fun, but if you have kids and you've ever thrown a birthday party, it's a lot of work. I'm just doing a 1-shifter. I haven't done that in the last couple of weeks, just like one-off shift. So I'm ready for it. Whatever that today is, I can handle it because I just have to work for 1 shift. And this is my last shift before I go on a vacation. We have that in the back of our heads. Lindsay from Scrub Hacks moved to Arizona and I've been so excited for her and her husband to get here. And so we were together over the weekend and I was talking with her about bedside nursing and nursing stuff in general. And I was like, I can't believe that next year I'll have been a bedside nurse for 10 years. And you say that out loud, someone says, oh yeah, I've been a bedside nurse for 10 years. It's like, oh, they got some experience. And I don't know why it's like mind blowing for me to think that about myself, but I just like, how did I get here all of a sudden? I know bedside nursing can kind of get a bad rap, but really I like bedside nursing a lot. I feel like the closer you are to the patient, the more satisfaction you can get out of nursing. I also feel like the more like burnt out you can get as well. It's a double-edged sword, but if you're the type of person that just really loves to care for people and like connect with people and talk to people or just learn about people, who they are, and no matter how different you are from somebody, you can always find some common ground to connect on. I think that's like the beauty of being a bedside nurse, is you are taking care of people on a lot of times their worst days and you're there to be that little shining light for them. And yeah, I still love being a bedside nurse, even though I have been a bedside nurse for almost 10 years. I'm thinking about making a video or something about how to thrive as a bedside nurse because I feel like so many people are burnt out from nursing. So I want to talk about a couple of things that I do to protect my own mental sanity while being a bedside nurse, because even though I love it, it is very mentally and emotionally and physically draining. So you'll have to let me know if that sounds of interest to you. I'm at work. Hopefully we have a good shift, but regardless, I can do 12 hours of anything. Have a good day, guys. Bye.